welcome to another math lesson. I am so excited to be doing this with you. I am ready and excited to do math today. I hope you are too. Today's math lesson is going to be a little bit shorter, so you should have your math book out. You should have your pencil out. You should have your iPad and your headphones. If you don't have one of those things, please feel free to go get it. And pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to get started right away. So we are going to be on page 90 in our math book. We're going to start with Build Understanding today instead of Spark Your Learning because we want to keep this short because Miss Meadows has a meeting to get to. So we are going to be on Build Understanding. If you need to pause the video to get to that page, go ahead. Otherwise, we are going to keep moving right along. So we're going to be working again today on adding 3 numbers together. So we are going to start with this bumblebee problem. I'm going to read it to you over here, but it is also right here on your book. There are 6 bees at the front of the hive, 4 bees inside the hive, and 2 bees behind the hive. How many bees are at the hive? So we want to use a strategy, a new strategy to try and add these together. Oops. I clicked ahead a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I want to pick 2 numbers to already add together. So we know that our numbers are 6 and 4 and 2. And we are adding all those together. So I'm going to put in our plus signs and our equal sign and an answer. I want to pick 2 of these. I'm going to circle them. And I'm going to make them into one big add end. So this time I'm going to pick my first 2 like this. And I'm going to circle them so I know that these are the ones I want to start by adding together so I can make this into a smaller problem. If I add 6 plus 10, what do I get? Go ahead, pause the video if you need time to figure that out. If I add 6 plus 10, the answer is... I think I just told you the answer. Whoops. If you add 6 plus 4, I told you the answer. The answer is 10, silly Miss Meadows. So this would make 10 plus what is left up top is 2. Whoops. Whoopsies. Is 2 equals blank. Now I need to figure out what is 10 plus 2. So you're going to write here 10 plus 2. One more time. 10 right here plus 2 right here equals blank. Now instead of drawing, I think this time we're going to use counting on. So put 10 in your brain and let's count on 2. Ready? 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So you're going to write a 12 on this line, which means 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals that same number, which is 12. So you'll write a 12 right here too. Now we want to this time group it a little bit differently. Oh, my eraser is being funny. Just trying to erase. Not wanting to let me erase certain things. Can you believe that? Let's see if I can go back and come. There we go. Much better. So we know that again, we want to add 6 plus 4 plus 2 and find our answer. Now we already know our answer, but I want to try and see if we do it a different way if we get the same answer. So this time, instead of circling 6 plus 4, I'm going to circle the back part. I'm going to circle 4 plus 2, And I'm going to start by adding that. So if I add 4 plus 2, what does that give me? 4 plus 2. Go ahead, pause the video if you need to. Otherwise, tell me what it is. Go. 4 plus 2 is 6. So I'm going to put my 6 here. I'm going to bring this 6 down. So now I have 6 plus 6, which will go here. 6 plus 6 equals. And 6 plus 6 equals, that's a doubles fact, 12. Very good. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals 12. So a 12 here, a 12 here. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals 12. And then you'll go down here where it says there are how many bees at the hive? 14, 10, or 12? 12, correct. 12 will go right here. All right, if you need more time, take more time. Otherwise, we're going to turn and go to step it out. We are trying to solve 4 plus 1 plus 4 equals blank. It says here is one way you can solve the problem. First by counting on. So think we start at 4 and count on 1. So why is my screen telling you something different? Okay, so first we're going to start at 4 and count on 1. So 4 plus 1 equals what? 5. So 5. And then 5, write 5 plus 4 equals? 5 plus 4 equal 4, 10, 5, or 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Very good. So a 9 would go there. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Just like there, you should look like right here. I'm going to check my work, make sure I did it right. Very good. Now I'm going to go down to part B, and this time I'm going to do 4 and 4 and add those together. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'll write an 8 right here. And then 8 plus 1 equals what? What's 1 more than 8? 5, 8, or 9? It is 9. Let's see if I can scroll down any far. There we go. 9. So you will write a 9 right here. So those should be the same. You should have a 9 here and a 9 here. So 4 plus 1 plus 4 equals 9 right there. 9, 9, and 9 you should have. Now we need to do our check understanding. So listen to this. Ready? There are 3 birds in a tree. There are 5 birds in another tree. There are 2 birds on the ground. How many birds are there? 3 plus 5 plus 2 equals blank. So you need to choose which 2 numbers you're going to circle. Are you going to do 3 and 5, 3 and 2, or 5 and 2? Add them together. Whichever one is left becomes your second addend, and figure out what 3 plus 5 plus 2 equals. Go ahead, work hard. If you have a question, come see me and I will help you. Great job with your math today. I am very proud of you, and I cannot wait to see how good you do. Remember, you need a smelly star from me before you can continue on. Great job today. Great work. I am so proud of you. I will see you later. Bye.